In this video, we are going to be analysing Blue Apron, ticker APRN. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels to the upside? And as of right now, our closest two resistances are $6.70 and $7.50, and these are both key levels. What we can see in the past is we've tested this level really 3 times and failed, and tested it on the 4th and still kind of failed over time. So really these 670 and the 750 are going to be key if you're expecting a move high. We really need to see a break above 750 and holding this level as support. If we are able to do that, then we can see a push to 830 and taking us further to around $10 and $12 as key statistical levels. Now, if we want other levels, really just be looking at the key psychological levels, so the $9, the $11, and really anything in between on the whole dollar range. And then obviously do be paying attention to that 52-week high at $12.75 as a final resistance. Obviously that would require a 100% move from where we are now, but these stocks can be volatile, so we could definitely see moves up to those levels. Now though, if you are more bearish on the stock and you want to know what are support levels, or just support levels if you're looking to maybe get out of APRN, what are we paying attention to? And as of right now, our closest support is 530 and 515, which are both our first deviations on the 6-month and the 1-year chart. Seeing this will be a key layer of support. We can see as well, when we were hitting these 670 supports, this was the layer of support we kept coming to. So really, we would expect to hold this at least for the time being. However, if we do break it, and by break it, we do mean a break below, come back to retest and see new selling pressure kick in. And if we say that, really this stock will be in some sort of a free fall, and we would expect a push at a minimum to $3.60. If we break that, we're looking at $3.10, $2.75, and a final level at 42 cents. Again, these will be our key statistical levels. If you want added support levels, what you can do is use key psychological levels. So it's going to be the $3, the $2.50, $2, $1.50, $1. And then obviously do note as well that 52-week low at $2.30 as another key support level. So these are the key levels that we're looking at on APRN. Again, I don't personally trade stocks like this. I don't like small caps because I don't really like day trading as much anymore. So these are just levels what I would do if I was looking at to trade it. These would be our support and resistance levels. But again, I don't have a bias in this stock. I'm not personally trading it. So just do take that into account if you're using any of this analysis information. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.